5 Best Tool Sets. WORKPRO 123 PC Mechanic Tool Set CRV Ratchet Spanner Wrenches Sockets. 1 PC Blow Mold Case Chrome Vanadium Forged Body for torque, strength and durability. Full polished chrome finish for anti-corrosion protection. Tools meet or exceed ANSI specs. Includes blow molded case for easy tool storage and portability. 1 PC 1/4 drive CRV coupler. 1 PC 1/4 drive CRV spinner handle. 1 PC's 4-inch woodworking bar clamp. Quick ratchet release speed squeeze. 100% brand new and high quality. Type: 4-inch woodworking clip. Material: stainless steel. Size: 195 mm. Color: red and orange, syndrome. More nimble version of the ratcheting bar clamp. Pistol grip with squeeze trigger. Tightens clamp, quick release button. QSTEXPRESS Super Mini Electric Grinding Set. 12 volts DC drill grinder tool. A professional tool for cutting, engraving, milling, grinding, drawing, trimming, polishing, removing and drilling. It/S designed for the application of aluminum plates, thin copper boards, plastic boards, chipboards, printed circuit boards, and epoxy boards. Comes with grinder engraving kit for DIY carving and grinding. Small and easy to use. Betals brand 108-in-1 screwdriver sets. Multifunction computer. 1x aluminum, alloy, handle. 1x universal, rod, 1x extension, rod. 1x tweezers. 2x crowbar. 1x bison phone. 1x magnetizer, demagnetizer. 1x sucker. 1x triangles. M, word, bit, zoo, PZO. Hot sale 2 pieces, set mini handmade tools. Scraper utility. Practical floor cleaner. Material: ABS plastic. Size: 13 cm. Use: caulk removal tool. Removes caulk fast. Caulking tool smooths for a perfect caulking bead. Introduction. Caulk removal tool. Pick up the remover to make full contact with the old filler. To make the point of the old filling material. Drive removal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.